Booker T. Washington was an American political leader, educator, and author of African ancestry. Take you back to the visualization of the years of slavery from the standpoint of a young African boy. Out of the hard and unusual struggle which he is determined to get through, he acquires strength and confidence. He is a fighter, a survivor of his time, with the constant fear that every day might be his last. Success is subjective and depends on the person and what they went through in order to achieve their dreams. I have learned that success is to be measured not so much by the position which one has reached in life, as by the obstacles which he has overcome while trying to succeed.